A lot of people are getting a letter saying, hey, you owe us $522. I'm like, what is this for? It's from Social Security, and it is for 3 months of your Medicare Part B premium. You're like, I never signed up for Medicare Part B. Yep, they signed you up automatically. So if you are on Social Security disability, if you're on any Social Security benefit for at least 4 months before you turn 65, the government, in one of the more efficient things they do, automatically signs you up for Medicare A and B. And for most people, it's convenient. But for you, let's say you're on Social Security disability and you don't want it because you're on your spouse's health insurance, or you don't want it because you're on your own insurance. You're not disabled. You just don't want Medicare Part B. You wanted your Social Security because you're working part-time, but you don't want Medicare Part B. You don't want to pay that $174 a month. So they send you a bill for $522 because the government requires you pay them quarterly. So that is $522 for 1 quarter of Medicare Part B premiums. You're like, I don't need it. I'm on my spouse's insurance. How do I quit it? Well, do not call them. That is not efficient. Try to never, ever call them. You are going to go to Google and get this form, SS-1763. That is the Social Security form to quit Medicare Part B. You can keep A. Do not mail them or fax them because, again, it's not efficient. It'll get lost. It'll never happen. You go to your local office, you get proof that they have it, the receipt that they have it, and they will stop your Medicare Part B. So do this right away. Now, if you had it for that quarter, but you didn't need it and you don't want it, your first question to me is, can I get my money back? No, you have to pay that bill. You're like, well, I'm not gonna pay it. Okay. Eventually you are going to want Medicare, and eventually they're going to hit you up for that money. Okay. So just pay the bill. This was your fault for not understanding the rules. Yeah, I see your point. It's convoluted. Nobody understands it. But as far as the government's concerned, this is your fault. You have to pay that bill. And if you don't pay them now, you'll be paying it later with interest. So pay it. Now, you'll say, I did pay it because I had it automatically coming out of my checking account. Can I get a refund? And I think you can probably guess the answer to that is going to be, again, no, because you had coverage. You're like, I didn't need the coverage. Yeah, but you had the coverage. So the key thing here is you're going to pay the bill if you owe it, clean your slate, stay on your own work insurance or your spouse's work insurance, whatever you're doing. And as long as you have credible coverage, you will not have a late Part B penalty for not taking Part B now. Down the road, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 years, maybe 6 months from now, whenever. There's no special time limit. There's no window. Anytime that you do want to retire, then you're going to go back to socialsecurity.gov and re-sign up for Medicare Part B. And as long as you're on Social Security, they will have it automatically coming out of your Social Security. If you're not taking Social Security, you will have to pay them quarterly. We recommend you don't do that because it's too big of a chunk out of most people's money, that you sign up for Medicare Easy Pay so they can draft it out of your checking or savings account. So again, you can do that at any time. There won't be a late penalty, and there's no harm for delaying. Whenever you're ready, that's when you can call our family, the Medicare family, and we can help you get enrolled in your Medicare insurance and your drug plans, help you re-enter the Medicare system. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my fantastically frustrating, but helpful, hopefully, videos. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.